How to remove duplicate CSV file entries in bulk. In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process to remove duplicate CSV file entries in bulk using Forensic CSV Duplicate Remover software. To install the Forensic CSV Duplicate Remover software, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool provides user with dual options. You can choose either one of the options available. Choose Files option to select single or multiple files. Choose Folders option to select the entire folder at once. Click on Choose Folder option and select the folder containing CSV files. And click on Select Folder button. A panel showing the list of CSV files within the selected folder will appear on the left. Click on any file to view its contents. A panel will appear next to it showing the list of all the headers in the selected CSV file. Contents of the CSV file can be previewed on the panel on the right. This tool also enables the user to search for particular data. Now let's see the removal process. Click on the Actions button and select the Remove Duplicate Records option. Location bar allows the user to view the destination path for the removed duplicate CSV file entries. Click on Browse button to select the location. Delete Old Folders option removes all the old folders on the destination path. Enable or disable it using the button. Open Folder After Export is Done option will open the destination folder after export is done. Enable or disable it using the button. Files Header options will allow you to specify whether your new CSV file will include a header row or not. Match Pattern option will set criteria for the tool to find duplicate entries within the CSV file. Case Sensitive option, if enabled, will only remove duplicate entries if they're exactly same. Select Columns to Match in option allows user to match the particular CSV data into right columns. User can select or deselect columns for deletion using the checkbox in the panel next to the Select Columns to Match in option. After configuring all the settings, it's time for the removal process. Click on the Save button, and the removal process will start. Shortly, a pop-up will appear on screen indicating that Trail version will only process 10 files, and to remove the limit, user will have to purchase license to the software. Click on OK. Click on Open Folder button to open the destination folder. And here are your new, duplicate-free CSV files. To view the result, simply open a file. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.